One of the biggest hesitations about Amazon FBA is the upfront cost to test a product, but what if you could test Amazon FBA for less than $500? Would that change your hesitation to a hell yeah? Hey, this is Rochelle and welcome to Multiple Passive Streams of Income. Recently, my sister asked me to talk to her friend about Amazon FBA. She's a small business owner struggling a bit, but she's been in business for 3 years, so that's an accomplishment in itself. So the drive and determination are there, but the riskiness of a big investment clearly will be an obstacle. So we set up a Zoom call and the usual questions were asked, how does Amazon FBA work? How much does it cost to get started? But as the conversation developed, we started to formulate a plan. So the product she wants to sell is a handmade product. So she can make 10 units of the product for a low cost. So let's say the material costs $6, so that would be about $60 to make the 10 products. And then she'll need a Seller Central account on Amazon. That costs $39.99 monthly. So for 2 months to complete the test, she'll need $80 for that. She can get a free trial of a software like Helium 10 to do some keyword research and pinpoint her money keywords. She can take some decent iPhone pictures to upload to her listing and use a free app to remove the background or hire someone cheaply on Fiverr. So let's say that costs another $20. She can write a keyword-rich, decent listing with a little coaching or by looking at a few free YouTube videos. Now, she decided she wanted to do FBM, which is fulfilled by merchant. So that means she's going to mail the product and not actually send it to an Amazon warehouse for them to do that. So since the product is light, let's just say it'll cost $4 to mail. So let's say all 10 units sell, so that's $40 in mailing costs. She will run PPC campaigns for $10 daily. So a $5 auto campaign and a $5 exact campaign for her money keyword. She'll do this for 2 weeks. So that's $10 for 14 days, totaling $140 for PPC. Let's say she'll need some packaging to mail her product. So let's say that's another $10. Let's say she gets a few sales and decides to keep running the PPC for another 2 weeks, costing another $140. So that comes up to $490 in total. Now she can test the product and make a better decision if she wants to move forward with having that product mass produced. More importantly, she gets to learn Amazon, navigating through the Seller Central portal, creating a listing, taking pictures to upload to the listing, and learning how to do her PPC, which stands for pay-per-click. If nothing else, the experience is worth $500. And if you need to regroup, you have a better understanding on what you need to do differently moving forward. Also, the product that she makes, if she doesn't sell on Amazon, she can try to sell it elsewhere. The way most people approach Amazon FBA is they go to Alibaba after they do some product research. They get a product made. Usually they have to order 100 or more products. Many times they'll say that the minimum order is 500 units. Then there's shipping to the US, getting professional pictures done. You may even get some expensive packaging for your products. Then you go hard with PPC to try to launch the product. And $2,000, $5,000, $10,000 or more dollars later, you don't even know if the product will sell. Now, obviously, my sister's friend has a product she can make, which is great for her situation. But maybe you can go on AliExpress and find products that you can buy cheaply and buy a small amount of them. Or maybe you will have to get a small amount of product that you will not make any profit from the sales, but the focus is to prove they can sell on Amazon. You can then buy a much larger quantity, much cheaper from China on Alibaba if you decide to move forward. The focus is to see if you can get sales, and the profitability of the sales shouldn't be the focus with the test run. Once you know you can sell a product, that's when you will buy a large quantity for profitability. One important caveat here is to make sure your test goes well. And then if it does, you can buy the product with healthy margins after the test succeeds. So now, it's really no reason to sit on the fence. Here's a way to take baby small steps into your Amazon journey. As always, thanks for your time, as I know you could be any other place right now. Take care.